Can you get 10 out of 10? You only get 1 second per sound. Keep track of your score. Let's begin. Think. Final guess? It's a soda can. Round 2. Think. Final guess? It's a spray bottle. Round 3. Think. Final guess? It's a stapler. How many did you get so far? Think. Final guess? Unlocking door. Round 5. Think. Final guess? It's crumpling paper. Round 6. Think. Final guess? It's Velcro. Round 7. Think. Final guess? It's keyboard typing. How many did you get this far? Think. Final guess? It's ice cracking. Round 9. Think. Final guess? It's jingling coins. Round 10. Think. Final guess? It's a match strike. If you got 10 out of 10, your ears are elite. If you scored 7 or more, that's impressive. Comment your score. Subscribe for the next challenge.